Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My good name is Sweet. For those who are new here, for returning subscribers, thank you very much. If you're new by then, make sure to like, comment, suggest what kind of content you guys would love to see, and I'll be here to serve you. So it's on a Thursday evening, it's at night, but anyway, I was saying that I'm here to do a review of the famous Qasil powder. Okay, this year I'm just wasting my money into skincare. It's not working, it's not giving. Hey, it's giving Zimbabwe. But anyway, this is the package I've received today with a very cute note there. Thank you for making your order, ABCD, blah 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 blah. And the lady who sold me this, she's so nice, she's so kind. She's called Shamim. If you see this, thank you. I'm about to review your product, okay? If it works, because I've seen even other people saying doesn't work, it's not that good, everything. So I had this. I bought this for myself during Valentine's, and they didn't work. They did my face wonders, like bad wonders. Okay, so I don't want to show the product, but this was it. It was very much a bad decision, waste of my money, but it's okay. So okay, it's in here, and then I'm gonna mix with some liquor water. We just use. This is how it looks. Looks like this. Wow, I think just a little amount is enough, because it's like yeast, you know. So I hope this is enough. This is good. And I'll insert pictures of before with no filters, my face as raw as possible. Okay, so this is it. Okay, let me just wash my face, and then I'll be back in a few
minutes later.
My clean face. So let me use my small mirror to see exactly what I'm doing. Here goes nothing. So my face is clean. Let's just apply. Oh my god, should it be this? Should it be this way? What do I say? It's sluggish. Is it sluggish? I don't know, but here we go. It's itching my face a little bit. Whether it should itch, but I've read so many reviews, so if anything goes down, it's expected. So that's how I look. Let's just wait, chill and wait. Countdown. This is gonna dry after an hour, I'm very sure. It's 20 minutes. 20 minutes is enough, so I'm gonna time it. Let me see, what's the time? It's 8:58. 8:58 plus 20, that's 9:18.
forgetting it's not dry, it's an hour. It's not dry, what do I do? Okay, let's be patient, let's be patient.
A few minutes later.
This is me like 20 minutes, 25 minutes after, and dry out. It's dry, and I don't want it to sit more on my face. Longer, not more. Sit longer on my face. So I'm gonna wash it off. And you should wash it off with cold water, not hot water. Cold water. And of course dab with a cotton. Is it cotton? Yes. Cotton towel, face towel. You don't rub, you dab. Okay, you dab, dab, dab. So I'm gonna do that and then come. Let's see the difference. I don't know whether there's a difference, of course not yet. It's the first time literally, but let me just wash it off and come back. But that's me. It's dry even on my neck. It's dry. That's day one, okay? Okay, that is it. My face is clean. And then after that, you have to apply your moisturizer of choice. You can tell the difference right now, but that's it. And that's it for day one. Don't want to make this video too long. I feel my skin feels refreshed. My skin feels refreshed, okay?
Where?
I think I feel better. Oh, that's nice. So we're gonna check in day 2. Oh, hi, hello, how are you doing this wonderful day that the Lord has made? Anyway, I'm doing good, and this is day 2, okay? Day 2 of using Qasil powder as a face mask. I'm not using that as a cleanser. Unajua cleanser, you just cleanse your face and wash off. Mine, I let it dry. Day 2 of letting it dry. See, it's dry. Mebaki two places kidogo. Oh, it's so dry there, but it's almost completely dry. So I need to wash it off. This is after washing it off. After washing it off, immediately you feel like some refreshment on your face, like it's giving healthy face. But anyway, it's only day 2. There's no big change, like significant change, so I'll give it a week. But I feel there are less pimples, as you can see, maybe 1 or 2, but skeptical, but I'll keep going. I hope my face doesn't react badly. Oh my god, I'll be so disappointed. I'll never do skincare again until I get the money to invest in Maureen Bandari Beauty or Kinahuda Beauty. Hey, for now. Anyway, this is day 2. I don't know what you guys think. So hi guys, welcome to day 3 of using Qasil powder as a face mask and as a cleanser. I use it as a cleanser before I sleep and as a face mask when I wake up in the morning. So what you have been seeing so much is the masking and not the cleansing, but I've done it for 3 days. That was Thursday, Saturday and Monday, and let's see how it's going, but I promise I feel a difference, you guys. And even ukiangalia kwa umbali, you can see some shininess, some smoothness in my face go kwa umbali. And if you can see one or two pimples, I saw it because of the girl things, but I promise it's working. So join me in day 3. So I think I would highly recommend. Because at this point I'm very delusional that it's gonna work for me. Okay, my table is messed up. Sorry. I know it's gonna work. It's better work because now somebody else told me to use this plus rose water. Jeez, I think I'll not listen to you guys until nifike bei ya kina Morin Bandari. Until I get money, I'll be using Morin Bandari beauty products. Because I cannot be using everything that you guys recommend. No. Atakama I'm desperate for my face to be like smooth. No, I won't do all that. But maybe I'll get rose water. Maybe it's good. I don't know. I'll get. And if I get, I'll definitely come here and say that I'm now using rose water. But meanwhile, that's it. That's how we go. Qasil, I will insert pictures of now and before and now. Then we'll see the difference. Yeah, but I can highly recommend because you've seen the benefits from the first slides. Okay, Somali people really use this in their skin. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two. Maybe you're gonna try it or not. I don't know. Maybe I've plugged with a good thing that's gonna work for you if you're struggling with face issues. All the best, my dear. All the best. I love you guys. I think I'll see you in the next video, and of course in every coming video, because I'll still be using Qasil. I'll still be reviewing, but this is a week, 1 week. No filters, by the no filters. There's no filters on my phone, so that's it. I think I look better. There's a change. There's a significant change because I think I was so rough. Yeah, but I hope this one's the end because I don't know why pimples come at my jaw. I think I need to seek help about this area. I don't know whether it's hormonal. I don't know, but I'll look into that for now and recommend a friend maybe who needs a natural cleanser, no chemicals, no additives. It's just Qasil.